on the beach, which is good. Very good, very good. Just before we get into our final piece for you, just one more activity that we're involved in and I'd like to tell you about. If you're really enjoying the African drumming and the dancing, and you think you might like to experience what that is like in Africa, every January we take a small group of people over to the country of Ghana and spend a couple of weeks there doing, learning some drumming, learning some dancing, and experiencing what those things are like in the villages, and seeing some of the sights and sounds of the wonderful people in the country of Ghana. And if you'd like to find out more information about our tour to Ghana, just come on up and talk to us after the show. Last number for you is called Fume Fume, and this will feature our dancers once again, and as the name suggests, it's going to be hot. Are you guys ready? Yeah.